more.
Yo, people. Shop Boss TV people. Yeah, man. Jaja no star. We know all them youth out in the street people, all they do them prank and things. It's me say, right? You don't know them people, and youth are just bring like a laughter to people. It's me some people, it's me say, yeah, man. But yeah, some people I take it thing serious, people. For real, some people I take it thing serious. You see me? Right? Look up on our brother now. We beat down the youth and thing, and you see me I say, I beat down on the youth and thing because the youth I run like a prank on him and thing. You see me? You tell me say you come out of your car, people. Right? Him come out of him car. Right? And when you look on your car, first you come out of your car, you look on your license plate, you must know your license plate number. You must know say your license plate not come off of your car because you know your number. Right? But you always look at youth now and thing, people and thing, and you don't look and a roughneck youth and thing, you pop off knife and thing, and oh, you jail up all the youth and thing, people. Right? See, your sister is not your license plate. Right? Your sister is not your license plate, you know? Right? And look how this brother deal with the youth. Eh? Look how I deal with the youth because say, boy, the youth is not a roughneck youth in people. Tell me now. Any was a roughneck youth people. See me? A roughneck youth. You see me? You stand up to him people. Remember me tell you people. He would not do that. Because him say the youth is just a you know, a soft youth, a youth just, you know. And a roughneck youth out in the street and thing, we know the badness and all these things. That's why the boy I come go on upon the youth. We don't like how the boy deal with the youth, people. Honest. We don't like how him deal with the youth. For real, me I tell the people. You see me? A boy and a bad man and a fool, listen up, people. Trust me now. It was someone like all me people and buck up on them. I tell some people, remember I tell you a wicked thing gonna happen, people. I tell you true people. Look how I deal with the youth, people. Look how I deal with the youth because what? The youth is not a roughneck youth. Him big on the youth and thing, and you know, him have a knife on him and thing. All the youth I tell him say, boy, your license plate upon the car. See, he still want to insist to beat up the youth. He still want to insist to beat up the youth, people. What am I trying to prove? I bet if some man hold some boy, yo, me tell some people, if some youth people, he wouldn't think of put him on the youth. You understand what I say? Because him have I say about going find a license plate upon the car and you that him say a prank. You understand? And he must know the youth. But he want to exalt himself. Come like say man, him woman must have him woman give him problems, so I take it out upon the youth. Yeah man. It seems like a woman give him problem, people. So I take it up on the youth. Just like that. You see what I say? Right? Him take away the youth license plate over you doing prank people. Right? And him sister and a film license plate. He say license plate still up on him car. But yet still, him a beat up the youth. I know prank me see the youth are doing no people. I mean, some people come out of them car at you give me my license plate, give me my license plate. Come on man. Look my car. See your car there, you don't know your license plate. You don't know your license plate number. All the phone people are stupid, me not tell no lie. You know act stupid. You see me? I'm afraid of the time when the youth goes and bend in front of the car and say, boy, I might take off on the license plate and I change the license plate and thing. Tell me. You couldn't take off the license plate so fast. So fast, if you say, boy, I might change the license plate. If you come out of the car and look for the license plate. And the most can say, boy, I'm going for the license plate intact. I hate that thing a brother I do. Me I tell you. Trust me. Styling some style it I want to prove somebody my bad man and anything with people. Them boy have a boy have fool people. Trust me. People might talk it just like it is. My fool. Cause any was a bigger boy at film size people. Remember me tell you, him back up himself long time and go in them car and go out in business people. You might tell him. You hear that? For real no people. He then back up himself and go back in them car and pull out you don't even think of pull out them knife when pull. You hear that? Everybody's supposed to know that you don't know so you a prank him though. You see what I say? And when you come out of the car, as I said before, so many times before, seeing people, you must see say your car, your license plate still intact. Unless you don't know your license plate number. You understand what I say? Yeah man, I brother, trust me, I want to nerd this. You see what I say? I'm nobody enough to big him up neither. You see what I say? Everybody must style him as a nerd. You understand what I say? Right? Yo, hey, trust me, it hurt my feelings, people. Trust me, it hurt my feelings to my deal with the youth. You understand what I say? It hurt my feelings, because I know say it was a big man that a film size people in them back up himself. You hear that? Right? And it's a stupid move he make to people. Because guess what? You must have eyes to look at my car and say, boy, Bonify, yo, watch out. My license plate number, my license plate still intact. Because I know my number from my license plate. Yeah, man. For real. That's why crime can't stop, you know. Because if you're a pre-evil, you know, people, trust me, you know. You don't know, you know. You think they whap it back here. I'm tell you, listen, people. Yeah, man. For real. Yo, Virgin, you're a nerd, bro. It's not say, you're a nerd. It's not say, you're a coward too. That may I tell you, brother. You shouldn't do you a kick with your foot and a beat up you them way them on you. You're a coward. That may I tell them people. For real. Trust me. You can't do them way them man. Eh? And all you tell us say why your license plate, yo, your license plate on your car, and you look and see about your license plate on your car, you still a beat up the youth. Eh? Yo, trust me, man. Trust me, people. I don't want to preach certain way. It's my say. But yo, I tell you the truth, people. I want fool, boy. I want punk, people. Yeah, man. I say it, man. I want punk. I'm fool this, bro. Shouldn't deal with you them way there. You see me? Shouldn't deal with you them way there. You have problem, man. You have problem, people. You have problem with them girl. Yeah, man. A problem with them girl, people. I throw it up on the youth. Yeah, man. Shop Boss TV people production. Yeah, man. Like this video, people. Subscribe, people. Yeah, man. You see me? Your youth, yeah. John Star. Style them style of youth, people. For real.
Man, that one look rubbish. Yo. License plate. Plate, man. Look rubbish. Hold on. The plate, man. The plate look, bend up, so we are sell plate, is it?
Yo, I'm good, man. I don't need a plate there. Yo.
No, I tell you, I take off your plate.
What?
I take off your plate.
What do you mean by take off?
Because we are sell plate, you see me? We are go around and we are sell plate, like.
You are sell plate for what?
No, through a government thing, man.
Put on my bomber clad plate, yeah?
No, I try to explain to you, say, your plate never good.
What do you mean by my plate not good? When I say that, just left my plate, dog. You see how my blood clot, which part of my plate? What do you mean by that touch my plate?
I take it and I go sell it, like.
Yo, bad man, put on my bomber
clad. No, hold on.
Yo, man, I cut out your face in a bad man. What do you mean by you cutted my plate? When you cutted my plate, what I drive with? But government, what government have to do? Yo, what do you mean? Yo, I'm telling you.
Brother, it look.
Yo, you bad man.
See, just look.
You touch my plate, dog.
See the look.
If you cut that no man.
Cut that no man.
Take off one plate. I want to you, dog.
Look on the car, brother. Look on the car.
Yo, bad man, tell me not about government, bad man. Me cut out the face, bad man.
Alright. Brother, I full plate this. Look on the car, brother. Look on the car.
Bad man, hear me a son, dog. Yo, I walk way up on that.
A prank, bro.
What? Yo, Bala. What?
Brother, see your plate there, brother. Your plate there, brother.
I mean by prank. Yo, you. Where you say that? Yo,
brother, your plate there on the car.
What?
5 minutes later.
Yo, brother, a prank. Yo, a prank. Brother, a full plate that. Big man, see camera there, big man, a prank.
You come tell me about prank. You take my bomber clock license plate, dog.
Brother, see camera there, brother.
This is about prank. You tell me about prank, bad man. Yo, hey boy.